Okay, what's up, YouTube? It is Pacey AI one more time. I'm about to give you another video. Remember to leave a like, share, and subscribe. So I want to talk to you guys about Leonardo AI and their new flow state. Now, flow state is this new method of image generation created by Leonardo, where they're essentially getting rid of most of the prompting that you would do to generate an image. The normal way in the classic mode is that you would essentially give it a prompt and it would generate an image for you. You select from that image. If you don't like it, then you have to either generate again or give it another prompt, modify your prompt, things of that nature. So everything you want to generate, every specific thing, you have to probably go through, edit the prompt, change it, and then get whatever you want. With flow state, on the other hand, what the beauty of this is that you create one prompt and then essentially Leonardo will give you a whole bunch of suggested images, and it will give you an unlimited or an indefinite number of suggested images that you can then choose from to refine the look of what you want. So we have some styles right here. So you have the different vibe that you can go with. You can go with a color sketch, a logo, a tattoo, bronze. So they have different vibe that you can use or different styles that you can kind of go after right here. If I want to pick the sci-fi style, I can go ahead and do that. And then the lighting, you can change the lighting as well. So if you want it to be film haze, you want it to be a little bit backlit, a little bit luminous, rainy, and you can see how this, you get a little preview of how this would look. Let's say I go with film haze right there. And then if you want to say shot type, you want to say emotion overhead cinematic, let's go with cinematic right there. And then you can also go with the color theme. You can keep it automatic or you can go with whatever you want to see right here. I'm going to leave that automatic. And then I'm going to go with a prompt that was already pre-done. So I'm just going to go with this. The puppy's playing with a ball in the park. So let's go with that. So let's click generate. And in no time, you'll actually start seeing images get generated. That's the one thing about flow state as well. It is very fast. It does not take a long time for images to be generated. And as you can see, we're getting images with that sci-fi like vibe, with the film haze and the cinematic feel, and the color theme is automatic. So we can go through this and we can see what we want. So let's say I want something a little bit more like this. So I could just say, okay, more like this. And then what that's going to do is going to give me images within that style. And then I can use that to then guide what I want. I'm looking at these now and I'm like, okay, I want it to be more like this one. So now, again, it's going to take that image and then it's going to try to create images more like that. It's going to try to get things looking like that. Now I want it to be a little bit more like this. So again, there we go. So now we have something very close to what we were initially looking for. Let's say this is what I wanted. Now, obviously, we're done. We can't go any further. It only allows you 4 different states, but essentially you can see the power of this. It's obvious that you can see what's going on here, and this is pretty amazing. We could go and reset back to defaults, and then we could go ahead and generate again, and we could essentially start up a new flow state right here. What's going on now is that I took the prompt that was created from all the flowing that I just did. So all the different steps to create that image, it took that prompt and it's now generating a new flow state. So we can go ahead and look at these different images and see which one would make more sense. Now I have everything in automatic style. So essentially I'm not specifying the style. So this could generate all types of different images. This is definitely going to be a more dynamic set of generations. So let's see which one I can go. Okay, let me see. I go more like that one. So now it's recognizing what I chose. So this is oil paint and the lighting is foggy. So essentially I could go along with this one and see what that does. So oil paint lighting is foggy. And then I could finally choose this one, and then I can choose from here which one I want. I can also go ahead and upscale these, and you can choose the different image dimensions. If you don't want it to be 1 by 1, you could also do 16 by 9. So I could go ahead and generate again some oil paint foggy images right there. And as you can see, more images available for me to choose from. I can go with this one, blah, blah, blah. But you get the gist. You get the idea of what this is. Very, very cool feature. So, link is in the description to this one. Definitely, guys, you should try this out. I think this will make it a lot easier for you to generate images to your liking or to your content. I think a lot of times what happens with Leonardo is that it is hard to really describe exactly what you want within the prompts. A lot of times the model just does not get it right. It's just not able to understand what you're really asking and what's in your head. It's hard to put that into words for the model to then be able to understand. So I think that this makes it easier, and you can be a little bit more specific on what you want. So I think this is great. Let me know what you guys think about flow state. Have you guys tried this out? Let me know what you guys think. But have a great day. Pacey AI sign out. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting out more videos like this in the future. But have a great day. Pacey AI signing out. Peace.